Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can truly transform your relationships, both personally and professionally. How to make anyone respect you. Whether it's at work, in social settings, or even at home, respect is the foundation of every meaningful interaction. So, let's get started with actionable tips and real life examples that you can apply right away. Tip number one, communicate with confidence. Respect often starts with how you present yourself, and how your communication style plays a huge role in that. Speak clearly, maintain eye contact, and avoid filler words like or oh. Let me give you a real life example. Imagine you are in a meeting and someone asks you for your opinion. If you respond with a shaky voice and say, I think maybe we should try this, people might not take you seriously. But if you say, I believe we should move forward with this strategy because X, Y, and Z, you instantly command respect. Confidence doesn't mean being loud or overbearing. It's about being clear, concise, and self assured. Tip number two, set boundaries. People respect those who respect themselves. If you're always saying yes to everything, you might come across as a pushover. For example, let's say your coworker constantly dumps their work on you. Instead of silently accepting it, you could say, I'd love to help, but I have my own deadlines to meet. Let's discuss how we can balance this. By setting boundaries, you show that you value your time and energy, and others will value it too. Tip number three, listen actively. Respect is a two-way street. When you genuinely listen to someone, they are more likely to respect you in return. Here's a scenario. Your friend is sharing a problem they are facing. Instead of interrupting or thinking about what you'll say next, focus entirely on them. Nod, ask follow-up questions, and show empathy. When people feel hurt, they'll see you as someone who values their thoughts and feelings, and that earns you instant respect. Tip number four, be consistent. Respect is built over time through consistent actions. If you are reliable and true to your word, people will naturally respect you. Think about it. If you promise to help a friend do something but cancel the last minute, they might lose trust in you. But if you show up on time and follow through, they'll see you as someone they can count on. Consistency shows integrity, and integrity commands respect. Tip number five, dress the part. Like it or not, first impressions matter. Dressing well doesn't mean wearing a suit everywhere. It means dressing appropriately for the situation. For instance, if you're giving a presentation at work, wearing clean, professional attire shows that you take the opportunity seriously. People will respect your effort and attention to detail. Tip number six, stay calm under pressure. How you handle stressful situations says a lot about you. When you remain composed, people see you as someone who can be trusted in tough times. Imagine you are leading a team project and a major issue arises. Instead of panicking, you calmly assess the situation and say, here's what we need to do to fix this. Your team will respect your leadership and ability to stay level-headed. Tip number seven, be kind but not a pushover. Kindness is a strength, not a weakness. However, it's important to balance kindness with assertiveness. For example, if a colleague takes credit for your idea, instead of lashing out, you could say, "I noticed you presented my idea as your own. I'd appreciate it if we could collaborate more openly in the future." This approach shows that you're kind but also stand up for yourself, which earns respect. And there you have it, 7 powerful tips to make anyone respect you. Remember, respect isn't about demanding it. It's about earning it through your actions and attitude. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which tip resonated with you the most. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.